Good day guys, today we're going to do an unboxing and product review on SRNE MPPT solar charge controller. This solar charge controller comes in a box with the symbols and compliance standards marking shown here. The brand of this controller is SRNE and the model is ML2420. It has a current capacity of 20 amperes, can auto-detect a 12 volt or 24 volt system based on your battery configuration. Inside the box, we will find the temperature sensor, the user manual, the solar charge controller itself, and the wall installation guide. The solar charge controller is an MPPT or maximum power point tracking, which means it is 30% more efficient than PWM. On the front of the controller are the LED indicators, LCD screen, operating keys, quick specs of the controller, and the terminals. This is for the temperature sensor, for the PV panels, batteries, and for your electrical loads. And here is the connection for the RS232 or RS485 going to your computer. On the sides are the installation holes. At the back is the heatsink and the screw for the grounding wire. The following LED indicators are PV charging indicator, battery indicator, load indicator, and abnormality indicator or fault indicator. The following push buttons are up key or increase the value of the parameter, down key or decrease the value of the parameter, return key, return to previous menu and exit without saving, and set key, enter into submenu, set and save, or turn on or off the loads in a manual mode. We will test the controller using a battery and an MR16 LED light.
A few moments later.
So for the main interface, this is the main monitoring page. Component voltage, charging current, battery capacity, battery voltage, load current, charging capacity, discharging capacity, device temperature, and the load mode. Here in the load mode, you can control what settings do you want your load to operate at. "15" means manual mode. If you want to change the mode, just long press the enter key. "16" is debugging mode. 17 normal on mode. 0 is sole light control, nighttime on and daytime off. And 1 to 14 is the light control plus time control. And this is the error code. Turn out the lights. The battery is discharging current to the load. The load is consuming about 0.3 amperes. You can also manually set other settings in the controller, such as battery type, system voltage, equalizing voltage, boost voltage, floating discharge voltage, over discharge return voltage, and over discharge voltage. And here's the list of the protection functions of the controller. In future videos, I will show you how I use this controller to light up my house. I will be using this one inside my little house and as perimeter lighting as well without the use of an inverter. On another future video, I will also show you how I design and properly compute my electrical loads using this controller. To keep updated on my future videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell.